Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Halsey here from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm playing with the Delivering Cheer photopolymer stamp set from the mini catalogue. I really like this one. I think it's so cute. This is the card that I have put together, really easy and simple to do. Let me show you. So first of all, you're going to need a piece of basic white cardstock that is 9.5 centimeters by 13.85 centimeters. And you're going to need a piece of Daffodil Delight cardstock that is 10 centimeters by 14.35 centimeters. So it's just 0.5 centimeters around bigger and gives you this frame. Okay. That will layer up on the base cardstock like this. So it is just another ½ centimetre to get to the size of the base cardstock, which is half a sheet of basic white cut in half and scored in half. So it gives us a nice frame like that. Okay. The stamps you're going to need are this one here that looks like she's in a little rain mac. This one here where she's carrying her Christmas tree, this little squiggle just here, and Sending Love and Christmas Cheer. I've actually already got them put onto blocks. So I have put the larger stamps onto D blocks, the sentiment onto a C, and this little squiggle onto a B. Okay, so first of all I'm going to start off with the bottom, and I'm using Memento ink because I'm going to be using my blends. And let's just get her inked up. Okay, so I'm going about part way on the card in the center. I'm going to pop her down like that. Again, with the Memento ink pad, I'm coming in and I'm inking up the top. Now you just line this up quite simply. The base of the Christmas tree goes just above her buttons, and then you can see with everything else that it goes into place. So if you just pop your head over the top, line it up like that. Okay. Next up is the sentiment, so it's Sending Love and Christmas Cheer, which I'm going to put directly under her at the bottom, like that. And the final bit of stamping is going to be the squiggle, which I've just put underneath her so it looks like she's standing on grass, and I've used soft sea foam for that. So just take the lid off, grab the squiggle, line it up under her boots like that. Okay. For the colouring, you're going to want light Daffodil Delight and just go all the way over her coat. I gave it 2 to 3 goes over. Now you see I've gone over the bottom of the tree. I did that on the other card as well. It's just because the tree's in the way a little bit. And it doesn't matter because I'm going to be doing the tree in a darker colour, so it doesn't make any difference. So I've just done the base of the tree completely, the stalk of it in light Daffodil Delight, and I've gone over the coat a couple of times. I'm just going to do the sleeves as well. I mean, you can choose any colour. I chose Daffodil Delight because it reminded me of the Rain Macs that are in Singing in the Rain. So I wanted it done yellow, just like Debbie Reynolds. Right, for the base of the tree, I'm using light cinnamon cider, and I am just doing the bark of it like that. And for her gloves, I'm using light crumb cake. I was going to use a slightly darker colour like a red because it is a Christmas card, but I didn't really want to detract from how lovely the tree is. So I decided to keep the rest of her quite pale, so the tree will be the main popping bit. light petal pinks for her legs. And finally, you want both the light and the dark, just jade. So I'm going through the center with the dark, not being massively neat with this. I'm just giving it a pop of the dark so that we can blend like that. And then using the brush tip, I'm just feeding the colour straight through to the edges of the tree. Like that. Okay, once you've done that, just a slight bit of liquid glue on the back. And sticking her to the Daffodil Delight card base that we've already pre-cut, that's over here. And then liquid glue on the back of that and sticking it to the card base. Now what I do really like about this stamp set, which I'm going to do as a extra for you, is the envelope. So I'm just going to grab one of our Stampin' Up envelopes. Here we go. We have this really lovely shaped flap on the back. What I like about this stamp set is that you do have the to and from. So I'm just going to grab the to. I'm going to ink that up. To. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to grab the same stamp, which is this one here with the tree, when I remember where I put it. And I'm just going to grab a bit of scrap paper to go underneath the envelope here, so that I don't mess up my grid paper, because I don't like messing up my grid paper. And I'm just going to drop that into the corner of the envelope, like that. You can colour it exactly the same way as you did your card with your dark. Going ever so messy. And then the light over the top of it. So that you have a matching envelope. Just going to pop the yellow one at the bottom so you can see that that is her hand. And then to finish up the card completely, I'm going to open it up and use the to and the from again. So I'm just going to pop inside to. From, and there is another sentiment which says warming thoughts to you this season, so I'm going to pop that in as well as my middle sentiment. So warming thoughts to you this season, and then I'm going to pop the from in as well. And there is my card, all ready to have its name put on, the address put on and sent. Really simple stamp set, that really cute. It's the Delivering Cheer and it's available from Stampin' Up. You can get it from www.slimmandstylish.stampinup.net. Every order is really appreciated, and if you have liked this video, please do give me a thumbs up and come back for more content. Thanks ever so much for joining me today, and I'll see you all soon. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimmandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.